Hi everyone and welcome to Paris. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, there's something truly magical about arriving in this city. The moment you catch your first glimpse of the Eiffel Tower rising above the rooftops, you know you're somewhere special. Have you ever dreamt of seeing the Eiffel Tower in person? For many, it's a lifelong wish, a symbol of adventure and romance. Standing beneath its iron lattice, you can't help but feel a sense of wonder. People from all over the world gather here, united by their excitement and curiosity. It's way more than just a pretty picture. It's a whole experience. The energy around the tower is contagious. Laughter, chatter, and the click of cameras fill the air. Whether you're snapping selfies, sharing a picnic on the grass, or simply gazing up in awe, every moment here feels unforgettable. Join me, and let's explore this famous landmark together. I'll show you the best spots for photos, share some fascinating stories, and reveal a few hidden gems you might not expect. There's so much more to the Eiffel Tower than meets the eye. You can't miss the Eiffel Tower. It stands tall and proud in the middle of Paris, visible from almost every corner of the city. Its iron frame stretches over 300 meters into the sky, making it the tallest structure in Paris and a beacon for travelers everywhere. Built over 130 years ago, it was supposed to be a temporary thing for the 1889 World's Fair. Designed by Gustave Eiffel, the tower was a marvel of engineering at the time, and many people doubted it would last. In fact, some Parisians even thought it was an eyesore. Can you believe they almost tore it down? After the fair, there were serious plans to dismantle the tower, and it faced plenty of criticism. But over time, it won the hearts of locals and visitors alike, becoming a beloved symbol of Paris. Luckily, it was saved, and now it welcomes millions of visitors every year. Today, the Eiffel Tower is not just a monument, it's a living part of Parisian life, a place where memories are made and dreams come true. So are you ready to discover its secrets with me? Gustave Eiffel, a man with a big dream, designed and built this amazing tower. Imagine over 18,000 pieces of iron, all carefully put together with 2.5 million rivets. It took over 2 years to build, and back then, it was the tallest thing built by humans in the whole world. The Eiffel Tower is huge. It's over 1,000 feet tall, about as high as an 81-story building. It's a symbol of Paris, easy to recognize anywhere in the world. Standing at the bottom, you can't help but feel amazed by how big and grand it is. The Eiffel Tower is not just a symbol of Paris, but also an incredible experience for visitors. It has 3 distinct levels, each offering something unique and memorable. As you make your way up, you'll discover that every floor has its own charm and surprises waiting for you. The first floor is the liveliest and often the most crowded. Here, you'll find a variety of shops selling souvenirs and gifts, a bustling restaurant where you can enjoy French cuisine, and even a real post office. It's a great place to pause, soak in the atmosphere, and maybe pick up a memento of your visit. One of the most unique things you can do here is mail a postcard right from the Eiffel Tower itself. Imagine sending a note to your friends or family, stamped with a special Eiffel Tower postmark. It's a souvenir that's both personal and unforgettable. As you ascend to the second floor, the excitement builds. This level is famous for its breathtaking views of Paris. From here you can gaze out over the city's rooftops and see the city's landmarks stretching out in every direction. The Seine River winds gracefully through the heart of Paris, and from this vantage point you can spot world-renowned sites like the Louvre Museum and the distant towers of Notre Dame Cathedral. It's a photographer's dream, and a perfect spot to take in the city's beauty. If you're feeling hungry, the second floor also features another elegant restaurant. Dining here is a special treat as you can enjoy delicious food while gazing out at the city below, a truly Parisian experience. And then, for the grand finale, you can take the elevator all the way to the very top, the summit of the Eiffel Tower. The journey up is thrilling and anticipation grows with every floor you pass. At the summit, you're rewarded with the most spectacular panoramic views of Paris imaginable. The city stretches out beneath you, and you can see its famous boulevards, parks, and monuments from a whole new perspective. On a clear day, you can see for miles in every direction. Standing at the top of the Eiffel Tower is an experience you'll never forget, a true highlight of any trip to Paris. You can take the stairs or the elevator to get to the different levels. There are even special elevators just for the restaurants. The first elevators were hydraulic, which was super advanced for the time. Today they're modern, so it's a smooth and safe ride. If you're feeling energetic, climbing the stairs is good exercise. It's also a chance to see the tower's intricate structure up close. As you climb, you'll see the names of 72 French scientists and engineers engraved on the tower, honoring their important work. Did you know that Gustave Eiffel, the mastermind behind the Eiffel Tower, actually had his own private apartment at the very top of this iconic structure? Tucked away above the bustling city, this hidden gem was a peaceful retreat for Eiffel, offering him a quiet space high above the Parisian streets. Few people knew about this secret apartment during his lifetime, and it became the subject of much curiosity and fascination. Today, Eiffel's apartment has been carefully preserved and transformed into a small museum. Visitors can step inside and get a glimpse of what life was like for this brilliant engineer. The rooms are filled with period furniture, personal items, and fascinating artifacts that tell the story of Eiffel's life and his incredible achievements. One of the highlights is seeing the lifelike wax figures of Gustave Eiffel and his daughter Claire in conversation with the famous inventor Thomas Edison. This scene recreates a real historical meeting, reminding us of the tower's role as a gathering place for some of the world's greatest minds. If you look even higher, right at the summit, you'll notice a forest of antennas. These aren't just for show. They play a vital role in modern communication, sending out radio and television signals that reach every corner of Paris and beyond. The antennas atop the Eiffel Tower are a reminder that this historic monument is not just a relic of the past. It continues to serve a practical purpose, helping Parisians stay connected and making the tower an essential part of the city's daily life. Of course, one of the most unforgettable experiences is stepping out onto the observation deck. The panoramic view from the top is simply breathtaking, offering a 360-degree vista of Paris that stretches as far as the eye can see. From this incredible vantage point you can spot famous landmarks like the Champs-Élysées, the Golden Dome of Les Invalides, and the distant white silhouette of the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, all spread out below you in a stunning cityscape. It's no wonder that visitors from around the world flock here to snap photos, soak in the scenery, and create unforgettable memories high above the heart of Paris. The Eiffel Tower is more than just a tower. It shows how creative and clever people can be. It's seen a lot of history, from wars to celebrations, always standing tall as a symbol of hope. Visiting the Eiffel Tower is something you won't forget. It's a chance to learn about history, admire amazing engineering, and see beautiful views of one of the greatest cities in the world. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing explorations.